What's up, guys? This is Meliora. My goal in life is to inspire, motivate, and make a difference through my music. And today I am mixing a song. In the recent past, I've tried to mix this song before. I'm not even gonna fib. And it didn't go so well. But now that my mixing skills have improved, I said I'd get another crack at this and do it again in a better way. So, alright, so this is what I'm working on. I gotta match the audio with the... So I gotta do this.
It's been a minute, I'm still winning. I've been on my own ground. It's been a minute, I ain't tripping.
So what I have done so far is prep work. Now I can add an EQ and go from there. So the first EQ I'm gonna do is a subtractive EQ. I'm gonna take out all the extra gooey, crappiness. So for that, I'm going to use the F6 because I like the F6 a lot. Let me get the RTA one. Real-time audio. Select the hook. And we actually don't need the beat for this.
It's been a minute, I'm still winning. I've been on my own ground. It's been a minute, I ain't tripping.
So here we go.
I've been on my own time. It's been a minute, I'm still
winning. We set the Q to about Q to 9. And yeah. And we just go through the freaks. I got the solo mode on so I can actually hear the frequency that's gonna be bothering me, and we're gonna figure it out. So I think I got it. Whichever's affected more is the problem, you know, to the actual mix. So that is the stereo track. So let's try that. So because this is the second compressor, yeah, so this compressor, the CLA 76 has two different sides to it. It's got the bluey and the blacky. One is brighter than the other. It feels brighter than the other. This particular one, we want the ratio 2 to 1. Alright, so I added the compressor to the vocals. Here we go. I'm using the SSL comp. This is what it looked like. Make sure I'm
It's been a minute, I'm still winning.
This is what it sound like.
I be on my own ground. It's been a minute, I ain't tripping.
Shit.
I be on my own time. It's been a minute, I'm still grinning. I be on my own climb, yeah. And I be on one.
I actually don't like that a little bit. Hold on.
It's been a minute, I'm still winning. I be on my own ground. It's been a minute, I ain't tripping.
Or like what?
I be on my own time. It's been a minute, I'm still grinning. I be on my own climb, yeah. And I be on one. It's been a minute, I'm still winning. I be on my own ground. It's been a minute, I ain't tripping. I be on my own time. It's been a minute, I'm still grinning.
It's a little controlled, alright. Now let's add some color to it. Now what I do with the color is, for the color, there's a couple things you can do. For the color, you can add a Puig Tech. I like to use the tone shaper. That's what I was looking for, actually. Alright, let's try that.
It's been a minute, I'm still winning. I be on my own ground. It's been a minute, I ain't tripping. I be on my own time. It's been a minute, I'm still grinning. I be on my own climb, yeah. And I be on one. It's been a minute, I'm still winning. I be on my own ground. It's been a minute, I
the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, comment down below. If you want more videos like this is more of a how-to tutorial, but not really. It's just a day in the life of me doing what I do. I mix and master my own songs, so you guys get to see exactly what I'm doing. If I had the compressor, the EQ, the reverb, the delay, there's just like a lot of stuff that goes into it. It takes about 2 hours usually to completely mix it, and then probably about another hour or so to master it. Being an independent artist, this particular song, I'll have it playing so you guys can hear it as the finished product, and let me know if you guys like it in the comments below, if you like the sound quality. This is the new style of mixing I'm doing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and thanks for watching.